Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Educational Videos for Kids. Today we will discuss about team sports. First of all, I will give you the definition of team sports. Team sports are those in which a certain number of individuals from opposing teams which compete with each other to win. Let us look at some popular team sports played around the world. As you can see on the screen, first one is American football. American football, properly known as football in the USA, is a sport that is derived from rugby. In the USA, it is played by two teams with 11 men on each side. Team scores points by carrying the ball beyond the opposing team's goal line without getting tackled or blocked. American football players wear special equipment that protect their bodies from physical damage. The National Football League (NFL), played in the USA, is the most important professional league of American football, and the Super Bowl is the most prestigious championship of this sport. In Canada, American football games are played with minor changes to the NFL format. Second one is basketball. Basketball is a sport that is part of the Olympic Games. It was invented in the USA by Dr. James Naismith in 1891. It is an indoor game and it is played between two teams with five players on each side. Players are allowed to move with the ball by dribbling or bouncing and passing. Teams score points by shouting the ball into the opposing team's basket. The National Basketball Association (NBA) of the USA is the most popular basketball league in the world. The Women's National Basketball Association (WNBA) is also quite popular. Third one is baseball. Baseball is an outdoor sport that is played using a bat, a ball, and gloves. It is played on a field that is shaped like a diamond. Two teams take turns to bat or field for a total of 9 innings. Runs are scored by hitting the ball beyond the fielders of the opposing team and running around the bases. A batter is entitled to a home run if she or he is able to hit the ball into the stands or over fence in fair territory. Major League Baseball (MLB) of the USA and Canada is an important professional organization of this sport. It is also played in other countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. Fourth one is ice hockey. Ice hockey is a sport that is played between two teams on an ice rink. Each team fields six players who wear ice skates to move around. Teams score a goal by driving the puck between the two posts and below the crossbar of the net with the help of hockey sticks. The goal is guarded by a goaltender or a goalie. Players that foul the opposition are sent to the penalty box for a certain duration. The National Hockey League (NHL), played in the USA and Canada, is the most important ice hockey league in the world. The Stanley Cup is awarded to the winner of NHL. Football or soccer as it is known in the USA and Canada, is extremely popular all over the world. Football is played between two teams with 11 players each. A team scores a goal when the football crosses the line of the opposition team's goalpost. The goalposts are guarded by a goalkeeper who is allowed to handle the ball within a certain area. A football match lasts 90 minutes, which is divided into two halves. The FIFA World Cup is the most prestigious international competition of world. In North America, football is very popular in Mexico and the USA. The National Hockey League is the full form of NHL. Major League Baseball is the full form of MLB. The National Basketball Association is the full form of NBA. The National Football League is the full form of NFLA. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is educational videos for kids. Thanks for watching.